We live in a data-driven world. We're living a revolution fueled by information and disruptive technologies. 90% of all the data in the world has been created in the last 2 years alone. Data may come from everywhere. Sensors that are used to gather climate information, content posted to social media sites, cell phones moving around everywhere and sending GPS signals, digital pictures, videos or purchase transaction records, uploaded on the cloud with the corresponding metadata. And that is to name just a few. All this data is big data. What is big data? Big data is high volume, high velocity, high variety, high veracity information. Big data will boost business and benefits at a big scale, improving efficiency, transparency, user experience, customization. In transport, public administration, commerce and retail, manufacturing, banking, and across sectors. Being part of the ecosystem eases the access to the most innovative and cost-effective tools to extract the value from big data. Being in big data is key for competitiveness. To lose step on current digital transition would mean to be losing business, to be left out of the future. By joining the Big Data Value Association, you will stay ahead of this revolution. Join in, side by side with industry and ICT leaders, innovative SMEs, and renowned research and academic centers. Europe needs to play a leading role in big data in the global market. To create a vibrant big data value ecosystem that includes all people and organizations producing, analyzing, using, or creating value from data. The European Commission has teamed up with European industry, researchers, and academic centers in a public-private partnership, part of the Horizon 2020 work program. The Big Data Value PPP is a partnership between the European Commission and the Big Data Value Association. The PPP is being implemented by a series of projects covering the period 2017-2020. The first tranche of them, already running, are the iSpaces, which are trusted data incubators, digital innovation hubs targeted to accelerate take-up of data-driven innovation. In commercial sectors like manufacturing 4.0, logistics, e-commerce, media, aerospace, automobile, energy, agriculture and agro-industry, or pharmacy, as well as in non-profit sectors, e-government, environment, public health, and smart cities. A number of technical projects addressing the variety of data and its integration across sectors. Big Data Ocean, EU Business Graph, EW Shop, AEGIS, SLIPO, Fashion Brain Project, QROUD, the preservation of privacy of data, My Health, My Data, Special, SODA, the responsible use of data along the whole value chain, KPLEX. The PPP is also backing the creation of lighthouse pilot projects demonstrating the benefits of large-scale data-driven innovation, transforming transport, Data Bio. The projects and all the members of the PPP share common goals. There are big challenges and opportunities ahead, gaining a bigger market share for European big data providers, empowering a more competitive European industry in the advent of a data-driven revolution, transforming the processes and rethinking traditional business. This mission is supported by the ecosystem enablers, Data Pitch Innovation Program, eSides, and the Big Data Value Ecosystem. The Big Data Value Ecosystem is a global supporting action for the whole PPP, establishes mechanisms and platforms for collaboration and dissemination in a coordinated way, links the challenges and the solutions, the people and their skills, and the ecosystem itself as the major assets and outcomes of the PPP. The Big Data Value Ecosystem informs and supports the decision-making, supporting the implementation of the PPP operations and processes, fostering the network of centers and infrastructures, realizing a vibrant data-driven European economy, creating a framework for the acceleration of data-driven businesses, setting up the communications and engaging and developing the community, ensuring the sustainability of the investments and actions triggered by the PPP, boosting the implementation of the PPP to be a success. Join Big Data. Join the future now.